What's the meaning of bane? Bane. Bane.
Bane. Bane. The word bane refers to something that is a cause of great distress or annoyance. It can also mean a deadly poison or a source of ruin or destruction. The word originated from Old English bana, which meant death or murder. In modern usage, the word bane is often used to describe a person, thing, or situation that is harmful or detrimental in some way. For example, smoking is a bane to one's health. In literature, the term has been used to describe the villain in a story, a force that causes suffering to a character or society, or a curse that brings about doom.